Snatch Snatch Squad, it is your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. And I know y'all are like, girl, where have you been, honey? But I'm back, and that's the subject for another day, not today. So let's get started. Basically, y'all, there's 10 weeks left till the end of the new year, and your girl is ready to get rid of this quarantine weight. Like, I got on the scale this morning, and I was just like, girl, like, yikes. So I was like, you know what, I'm just about to get back on my channel and start another challenge because it helps keep me accountable. And y'all, I need y'all's help. Like, honestly, you're like, I gotta lose 20 pounds for the new year, period, point blank period. Like, that's what's gonna happen. So I got on the scale today, and y'all, I don't even want to say the number. Like, I'm kind of conflicted. I'm like, should I say the number? Actually, I'm just gonna say the number because I'm just gonna, at the end of the day, it doesn't even matter. It's just a number, Celeste. I'm telling this to myself, y'all, because, like, you know, your girl's been in, I've been seeing a nutritionist and stuff like that, so I'm like trying to, like, you know, stay focused. Like, the number doesn't matter. But anyways, guys, I got on the scale today and I weighed 238, and I was just like, wow. And I haven't been on the scale in 4 months. So when I started seeing my nutritionist and my therapist, they told me to stop weighing myself, and I stopped. So this was my first time weighing myself in 4 months, and I was just like, yikes. So actually, no, it hasn't. I'm lying. This is my first time weighing myself in 12 weeks, because 12 weeks ago I did my last weigh-in that I did, and I was 234, and then today would have been the 12th week, and I weighed myself and I was 238. And I know y'all probably like, Celeste, you only gained 4 pounds in 12 weeks. Yeah, that is a true fact. But guys, when quarantine had happened, I was at my lowest weight. I was at 206. So when the world shut down in March, I got down to 206. My goal was to get under 200. So y'all do the math, because I ain't. But I know she didn't put on some pounds during this quarantine. So anyways, you know, whatever, that is what it is. So I'm just not even going to focus on that. I'm just going to, you know, stay eyes on the prize. But yeah, so my goal, guys, for these next 10 weeks is to lose 2 pounds a week. And so 10 weeks, 2 pounds a week for 10 weeks, that's 20 pounds. So that's like what I'm trying to aim for. So if I do achieve that goal, I'll be at 218 by the week of 12/28. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys join me, because I like when we do the challenges together. I don't know if we should call this, because I normally call them the weight loss challenge. I don't know if I should call it a weight loss challenge or shredding the quarantine weight challenge. You know what, that's already too long, and I don't even know how to spell quarantine. So period, it's gonna be weight loss challenge. But yes, it's gonna be 10 weeks. It's starting today. So I know normally I do like a little video and be like, oh, we're gonna start next week. Nope, it's starting today, because today I did the weigh-in and I was like, girl, I had to get it in. And I'm feeling really motivated. I feel like I can do this because first off, it's an achievable goal, 2 pounds a week. Secondly, if it doesn't happen, I'm not gonna stress myself out about it. Like, you know, it is what it is. Like, that is my goal. Hopefully I reach it. But as long as I'm doing what I need to do, I should be able to reach it. But I'm not about to be stressing myself out like I typically do. So yeah, I forgot what I was supposed to say. 10 weeks, 2 pounds a week, 20 pounds. Oh, it's starting today. So today is Monday. I woke up this morning and decided I was gonna do it. So I haven't, like, today is my first official day. So whenever, I think I'm gonna upload this video tonight. It's about to be, it'll probably be uploaded like at 9 o'clock, but whatever, you can watch tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm gonna upload it today. So I'm gonna upload the videos every Monday, but the weigh-ins are gonna be on Saturday. So my official first weigh-in, so I did the starting weigh-in today, which was where I was 238, and I'll weigh in on Saturday to see, like, you know, how much progression I made. So that'll be like, you know, seeing if I've lost 15 pounds for the week. And yeah, so I will weigh myself on Saturday, and I'll post the video on Monday. So yeah, that's that, guys, honestly. Oh, what are some things? So what I basically did, like, I'm a writer, so I like to write things out. So I just wrote out, like, you know, what I'm gonna have for the week. So my meal prep for this week is pretty simple. For breakfast, I'm having an egg and sausage. For lunch, I'm having chicken thighs, rice with veggies. It's like a little, like, homemade Chipotle bowl, but just with chicken, rice, red onions, bell peppers, and actually I have a video of it on what I ate in a day. I have a video of it. It's that little bowl thing that I make. It's really good. Sorry I'm sweating. I literally just got home from the gym and I'm, like, in front of this hot sun. For my snack, I'm gonna have an acai bowl because I've been addicted to acai bowls, and I went out and brought all the stuff. So I've been eating acai bowls, and they're so good and refreshing. And for dinner, I'm gonna have salad with either chicken or a taco salad. So have some choices there, because you know we love to have choices. And then my workout schedule is pretty much the same. I go between the gym that I go to in Houston. I have my Peloton bike, and I have another membership. So I have my gym membership in Houston, I have my Hotworks membership, I have my Peloton, and of course you can always just go outside and go walking. Oh, and I brought some roller skates. So I have a lot of different options, you know, to like keep it spicy. Yeah, Saturdays after I do my weigh-in, I am going to do one cheat meal a week, and it's going to be on Saturdays. I think that's going to help me stick to it, to be able to like look forward to something on Saturday. So that'll be that. And yeah guys, what else? I didn't do my measurements. I was gonna do my measurements, but I was just like, honestly, I didn't feel like it. I'm just like, I'm just trying to get this weight off, y'all. Like, that's period, that's it. Like, I've been like with a nutritionist for like almost 2 months now, and I'm gonna do a video on it because I have like a whole nother outlook on like weight loss and food and things like that, and I want to bring that to my channel because I think it's very important, the things that I've learned, to share with you all. So I'm kind of in a different headspace for this challenge. Like, if I lose 20 pounds, great. If I lose 2 pounds, hey, you know, it is what it is. Like, you know, slow and steady. But yeah, that's that, guys. So I'm really excited to do this challenge. Let me know if y'all are in. You know, if you want to put your starting weight down too, you know, so I won't feel as exposed, as vulnerable. But honestly, like, I really am at the point where I'm just like, it's literally just a number. And y'all feel like, well girl, if it's a number, why are you trying to lose 30 pounds? It is literally a number, but when I look in the mirror, I want to see a certain thing, I want to feel a certain way, and I feel my best at a lighter weight. So it doesn't have to be a lighter weight. If during this little thing I get down 10 pounds and I'm like, ooh girl, she looking good, I'll stop. But I'm looking off because, child, I doubt that. Like, my like comfortable weight is like 195. That's where I feel comfortable, where I can like go up 4, go down 5, whatever. That's like a comfortable range for me. So that's really what I'm trying to do. Just like, realistically, I'm not going to get there by the end of the year, you know? So that would be like 238. That would be almost like losing 45 pounds in 10 weeks, and that's just, first off, that's not healthy, that's not maintainable, and I would be literally eating air, and that's just not gonna happen. So I'll be happy going to the new year 218 pounds. That means for the new year, my new year's resolution or my new year's goal is only to lose 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 pounds. So I'm okay with that. So yeah guys, if you're gonna do the challenge, like this post, like the video, and in the comments put your starting weight, and then, like, you know, we can kind of like hold each other accountable. And oh, I took some before pictures, so I am gonna post the before pictures. And like I said, I'm gonna be weighing myself once a week. I do have a fat loss monitor. I did that. So yeah, I'm starting to ramble, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video off because y'all know how I get. But yeah, I'm really excited. I think I'm like in a good mental space to do this. That's partially why I've been off of YouTube. I did the Peloton video because that's just like something fun, not like, it's not really weight loss related, it's just like something that I love to do. It happens to be exercise. But I've been taking a break from like weight loss content and things like that because I just have been getting my life together as far as like my own mental health. So I think that I'm like in a good place to like come back, start uploading my videos, because I love doing YouTube. Like, yeah, that's my thing. And I want to like bring some other stuff into my life. Like, weight loss is not all there is to Celeste. So I want to bring some new content and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna start with this posting for the next 10 weeks. And yeah, so let me know what y'all goals are, how much weight you want to lose in 10 weeks, what's your starting weight, and post something positive. Put something positive in the comments to get us going and motivated, you know, because we need that positivity. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Well, yeah, you just watched it, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you joined the challenge, and I hope in 10 weeks we can be back on week 10 on December 28th being like, yes sis, check me out. All right guys, I'll see you later. Bye.